In this short video, I will show you how to clean up the storage of Google Drive. Firstly, open the Google Drive. You can find it here in 9 dots once you open Google, and it's this icon. Once you are here on the left, you can see your used storage. I have 2.24 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes used. It also counts the Gmail storage. If you want to clean up the storage, click on Storage, Clean Up Space. After a couple seconds, you can see here Clean Up Suggested Items. And the biggest one are files in trash, about 1 gigabyte of storage used. Click on Review. Here are all files in trash. Click on Delete All and permanently delete. It should be cleared. Go back. Now my storage is 1.2 gigabytes. Before it was 2.2 gigabytes, so 1 gigabyte was cleared. If you want to continue, you can clean up emails in trash, spam emails, and so on. And that's it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.